Do you dream of a home bathed in sunshine, surrounded by vibrant nature? Then look no further than tropical house design. Here, the lines between indoors and outdoors blur, creating a haven of tranquility and connection with the natural world. Embrace the outdoors with open floor plans. Walls melt away, replaced by wide-open spaces that seamlessly flow out to expansive patios. Light and fresh air become welcome guests, thanks to large sliding glass doors. Courtyards become the heart of your home, offering a private oasis for relaxation or entertaining. Imagine the calming sound of water trickling from a fountain and the vibrant colors of tropical plants filling the air. Nature takes center stage with the use of natural materials. Wood, bamboo, and stone create a sense of warmth and are perfectly suited to the tropical climate. They promote ventilation and keep the home cool and comfortable. But the connection with nature goes beyond the walls. Tropical plants become part of the interior design. Large potted plants, hanging vines, and vertical gardens add pops of color and life throughout the house. Skylights bathe the space in natural light, nurturing your indoor jungle. Bring tranquility indoors with soothing water features. Fountains, reflecting pools, or koi ponds create a serene ambience and promote natural cooling, making even the hottest days a delight. Function meets form in tropical house design. Large windows and strategically placed vents ensure natural air circulation. Ceiling fans keep the space cool while deep overhangs, shade trees, and louvers block harsh sunlight. But tropical living extends beyond comfort. Sustainability is key. Rainwater harvesting systems and solar panels not only reduce your environmental impact but also lower your energy bills. The end result is an open, airy haven that celebrates nature. Bold colors inspired by the tropics create a cheerful atmosphere, while natural textures and organic shapes further blur the lines between indoors and out. Tropical house design isn't just a style, it's a lifestyle. It's about living in harmony with nature, creating a space that reflects the beauty of the tropics.